Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Wondering why I'm dressed up in all white. So I know you already know how the cosplay looks like just because you saw the thumbnail for this video. Definitely watch until the very end so you can see how I made it, and you can also see me move around, you know, all different angles of the cosplay. Well, today is a special day. It's my birthday. And I'm very excited because last year was so sad because everything from the pandemic and quarantine just started around my birthday. I'm really excited because this time I took matters into my own hands and decided to just have a lot of fun with it. Do a lot of things that I enjoy. Like for instance, I even got myself my own presents, my own birthday gifts. These are subscription boxes, so I have no idea what's in there, so it feels like a real present. I'm gonna be unboxing these, so definitely look for those videos in the future. But other than that, if you haven't seen my Q&A video already, I do explain how I love cosplaying. When I did it, I think 3 times, but I don't do it that often because I'm too broke, or it's an expensive hobby, but I really want to try to get back into it or just do it when I can. So for my birthday, I decided, so why not cosplay for it too? I'm going to be cosplaying as MapleStory's Cake Boss. And I'm only using foam because, again, it's an expensive hobby. If I'm trying to get back into it, I want to start out small. So the amount of money that I would say I spent on this cosplay is $2 to $15 if you want to include the wig. But if you already have blonde hair or have a white wig, then making the actual accessories for the cosplay, $2. I like shaved my undercut, but it's growing out, so I can't even tuck it in. So first things first, I just kept looking at Cake Boss and I was like, how do I make that into a cosplay? I don't want to make the whole character. That would be huge. I need a lot more foam for that. So I was like, okay, I want to get the key features. So I noticed the strawberries on the top of the head with a little bit of frosting drizzle and the candles that go on top of the head as well. Then later on, I saw some more strawberries with 2 kind of leaves sticking out of it, and then a happy birthday sign. So I was like, why not make this part the headpiece? Because it is on top of Cake Boss's head. So I just got white sheets, glued them together, and kind of just saw how long I needed to be by wrapping it around my head. Then afterwards, I started making strawberries. Glued those on there. Beyond my wildest dreams. Made some candles. A vibrant magic that's bursting through the seams. I want a taste of it. Used a marker to write on them. Made it lit by actually lighting the candle by making the fire. To
rise right before you cast a spell. Listen to your heartbeat that churns and swells. A sweet aroma fills the air. I know that's not from anywhere. Even if all the stars begin to fall, I will find you when I hear my name call. A sense of wonder fills the air. I know this feeling anywhere.
Then was the next part of the strawberries. I don't have another head or another layer to myself, so I was like, I'll just make it a necklace. Kinda lazy here, so I end up just getting the hot glue, putting a string.
Close your eyes right before you cast a spell. Listen to your heartbeat that churns and swells. A sweet aroma fills the air. I know that's not from anywhere. Even if all the stars begin to fall, I will find you when I hear my name call. A sense of wonder fills the air. I know this feeling anywhere.
Ebo works out, so it's cute. I like it. And lastly, the happy birthday. It would have been better if I had a yellow sash. That would be a lot cuter. The sash was like $15. Might as well just use the foam I already have. So, just wrote happy birthday to me. So the sash wouldn't stay on, but it's kind of a cute accessory to hold anyway. I'll just add that on my shoulder here like a drape. So yeah, that was my $2 foam cosplay. The necklace and the sash. I feel like it'd be better with a real sash. Necklace is okay, but I really like the crown. Like, it's really cute, especially with this wig. So I'm probably gonna wear this for all of my birthdays in the future, or maybe I'll upgrade my cosplays in the future. So we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll just dress up like the legit cake boss. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope this inspires you to try to... So if you liked this video and had some fun watching me build a cosplay out of foam, please like this video, comment below if you've ever played MapleStory, and click subscribe if you want to see more cosplay videos in the future from me. So thanks for watching.